and welcome. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can delete WeChat moment post. Well, WeChat gives us a very convenient way to connect with our followers and friends. And one of the ways is by posting WeChat moments. But what if you have posted something that you do not want to be posted in the first place? Well, for that, it's a very straightforward process, guys. All you have to do is make sure you've logged into your WeChat account in your phone. Now go to Discover at the bottom section, and there we can find to create a new moment. From this new page, just select Moments, and to create a moment, just click on this camera icon at the top. Do click camera if you want to choose from camera, any one of the picture that you want, and done. Give it a caption, work day, and finally post. So in your case, you might already have a moment like this in this page. In order to delete this moment, just click on the trash icon. Now we need to confirm that we want to delete this moment's post. Click on delete and gone. The moment is deleted. Now you know how to delete moment in WeChat. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding deleting moments in WeChat, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.